All right, so we are still currently working on suffixes and adding them to our base words. Now the suffixes are going to stay the same. We're still reviewing suffix ed, suffix er, suffix s, suffix ful, suffix ing, a couple more, suffix les. But this week, instead of doing the 111 doubling rule, we're going to talk about the e dropping rule. So this one's a little bit easier and a little simpler to remember. If E sees a vowel, E runs away. If E sees a consonant, E stays. And we're talking about that E that's on a base word. So, for example, I have the word name. So these are magic E words. Name, and I want to make it past tense. So I want to make it named. Well, E is going to actually see a vowel. So this E, we're going to say runs away. It's no longer there. So we're not doubling our E's. We just have one. So the same thing with ride. We're going to look at our vowel, our first suffix. Oh, it's a vowel suffix, so E sees a vowel. So E is going to run away, and we're just going to add our suffix. So with this, we're going to look. Oh, it's not even a vowel suffix, so we don't have to worry. So we can just add it to make it plural. Flames. This is hope. It's not a vowel suffix, so it doesn't do anything. We don't have to worry. We can just add. So time, E sees a vowel, so E is going to run away. Timing. Now, I'm also pushing the students to be able to recognize suffixes in a word. So, for example, if we're going to read this word, it says safest. Well, they should know that est is a suffix, so we know our base word is going to be safe. Well, we need safe. To make that say safe, we need to add an E. If we look at this word, homeless, we see, oh, there's our suffix, less, and then our base word is home. So home plus less equals homeless. And then we read this word, smoked, and we recognize that there is a suffix, ed. So they could write this, and they're going to say, oh, smoke. But that does not say smoke. That says smock. We need that E to make the O say its name. So it's dropping the E. Pretty simple. The phrase chant, we're going to say, if E sees a vowel, E runs away. If E sees consonant, E stays. That's what we're working on. Remember to practice those red words as well. They're very, very, very important.